Yeah, hi friends. Welcome to Electrical Products Knowledge. So today I'm going to going to give the overview of various electrical products, so which are being used in household. So I'm going to give you like the brief overview of all the electrical products which are being used in the house, and if someone like wants to like open their shop, so these like products should be there in the electrical shop if someone wants to open his own shop. So I'm going to give the overall view of electrical products which are been like used in households. So I'm going to give the brief overview of all the products, electrical products today, about in my shop which I have. And if someone wants to open his own shop, so this product should be there in his so in his shop should be there, so that so you have like more and more customers in your shop. So this is like overview. I'm going to show, and one by one I'm going to explain you like all the products which are been in my shop, which are been sold out in electrical goods shop. So first of all, I would take to 9-watt electric charges bulb. Like various companies are there, like Vihan Electric I have in my own shop, like Vihan Electric bulb, like 9-watt like electric charging bulb. Then I have electrical everyday instant charging bulb as well in my shop. Then I have Orient as well, Panasonic electric bulb as well I have in my electric shop. Then I am going to show you electric bulbs like Philips 2.7 watt electric bulb, and 4-watt electric bulbs are there in my shop, which are being like used in household. Then I am going to show you 9-watt electric bulb and 12-watt electric bulbs, Panasonic electric bulbs are there, so which are being used frequently in the house. So these are like some of the bulbs we have, 9-watt and 12-watt. In my shop I have like various companies bulb, like 9-watt Panasonic, Great White. I have Vihan electric bulb as well in my shop, and Eveready I have, and Gold Medal I have. I have been like selling out like so many various bulbs in my shop. Then I have like in my shop like 18-watt Philips CFL as well, and I have like Eveready CFL as well, like 15-watt like CFL I have in my shop. So these are like various bulbs I have in the shop. And then I have like bigger bulbs as well in my shop, like display, like 30-watt Panasonic LED bulb, 40-watt Panasonic LED bulbs, as well as like 40-watt Vihan bulb as well, Oxa LED light bulb as well I have in my shop. Then I have Siska LED bulbs as well in my shop. So like, this is a sample of all the bulbs I have in my shop counters, like in my shop for meetings. These are like some of the bulbs we have like I sold out in my shop. And then I'm going to show you like deep lights which are being used in households. So these are some of the deep light display I have in my shop. The deep light I have behind switcher and Panasonic as well in my shop for selling the lights, like deep light, and Siska as well I have in my shop. So this is like the display I have, which I have in my shop. And then I have some panel display as well behind, 10-watt panels display I have over here in section. And then I have like Flexo 7-watt downlight, which can be like movable as well. It's movable LED downlight it is. And I have one piece like piece of this is like I have, and this is like one floodlight sample I have, which is like left out in the corner as well, in the display as well. And then let's move to down section. Then I have over here 23-watt Vihan Oxa LED bulb, and 12 watt bulb, 9 watt bulb, which should be there in the counter side, so that you can sell out easily your bulbs to the customers. And now next corner I have is 12 watt panels which are being used in the wall ceilings, 10 models. So they are like square and round panels we have in your house which are being used. So these are some of the panels I have in my shop. And then I have like 15 watt panels display as well in my shop. Vihan, I have like been selling Vihan product, Vihan gold medal, switcher, Panasonic. So these are some of the panels I sold out in my shop. And then I have tracking lights as well, tracking lights which are been used in showrooms, all type of like showrooms we use tracking lights. And then I have like concealed lights which are been like frequently used in the house for fitting purpose nowadays, which are been like and then I have here is cabinet spotlights which are being used in the showrooms as well. For display purposes we use in the like especially in the gold in the jewelry shops we use it. And here also I have down lights like concealed lights only. And then I have over here like gold medal concealed lights which are been like coming in the various frequently colors like green, blue, white, warm white, red, 3-in-1 colors as well will come up. Then over here one of the 12 watts gold medal panels are there in my shop, 12 watt, which are been like in smaller in size, and it is like having high demand in the market as well. These panels, especially in the round shape panels, I have in the square as well as the round shape as well. These are like some of the panels I have in my shop. And over here is like Orient 10 watt panels and switcher watt panels as well in my shop. And our one section is also of concealed light only, of Orient like concealed lights. And let's move to the household fittings now. I will show you some of the household fittings which are being used. One is I have like first one is like gold medal Jifa model I have in my shop, which is like bit like stylish, like a good one, stylish as well in the looks as well. So these are like different I have like switches, sockets, RJ11 2 line jacks, TV sockets. Then I have sockets which are being like frequently used in the house, 10 ampere sockets. So this is a display of electrical fittings. Then I have 16 ampere sockets, like 20 ampere like one switches, regulators, Galaxy fan regulators, like 2 module Galaxy fan regulators. Bell push, we have 2 modules like bell push, like one module says like bell push. Then we have like electrical fan regulators as well, like 1 module fan regulators as well. And one these are like double pole MCV as well, 2 module MCVs. So this is like 20 ampere sockets, 20 ampere switches, 2-way switches I have in my display. Then I have like some household fittings we have, like 1 modules, 2 modules, 4 modules, 3 modules, 12 modules, 4 modules, 6 modules. These are the 12 modules. Frequently we use like 12 modules, 3 modules, 4 modules, and 6 modules as well. Sometimes 8 modules are also being used. And then I have another company, B5 electrical products as well in my shop. These are like one of the switches I have in my sleek switches, which have been called out sleek switches or piano switches sometimes we call it. And then I have like over here electrical sockets which have been used, 6 ampere electric sockets. Then I have motor starters, 20-32 ampere MCV DP as well in my shop, which are being used sometimes in fittings as well. Then I have one-way switches, Bosch switches as well in my shop. So here are like 2 modules I have in my shop, 6 ampere. And I have sockets as well, various plates as well I have in my shop, like black mirror, liner plates, black mirror. These are the various V5 electrical products, some of the V5 electrical products I have. And let's move to the another company I have over here as Great White Electrical. I have here Great White Electrical Trevo type switches as well, Trevo type fittings as well I have in my shop. So these are the various switches I have. I have 10 ampere sockets which have been used in the fittings, night lamps, 10 ampere sockets, regulators, lamp modules. So these are the some type of like fittings knowledge. And there are like plates are there, like 1 module, 2 module, 4 modules, 6 modules, 8 modules. And then I have over here some products of some boxes products which have been there, like we use in households, like various boxes we use, 1 module, 2 module, 4 modules, 8 modules boxes are here in the display. And then I have various MCBs as well in my shop. Then I have over here holders as well over here. Then I have various like power socket strips as well in my shop. And let's move to another section of the shop. I will show you over there various products over here. Like I have lighting products which are being used in the Diwali like time. We have over like ladis, rice lights we call it in English. Then I have over here various bulbs, various types of other bulbs I have, electrical LED bulbs. And then I have like over track lights as well, Cope track light, 30 watt, 10 watt I use. We have in my shop as well. And then I have another gold medal fitting, like air module, model is there in my shop. So these are like some of the various electrical switches, like Aura Arc, and Aura Arc models come up in this fittings. Aura Arc module is there. These are like different plates which are being used. And then I have over here various strip lights which are being used in the fall ceilings, mainly like red, blue, green, warm white colors are there. And then I have like wall lights are there, Falco wall light, which are being used outside as well as inner wood doors, sometimes in stairs as well. These lights are being used. And then over here I have another like concealed lights only. And then I have over here in my left side of the shop. Anchor fittings, like without anchor no shop will be able to run. So anchor like fittings are like must be there in your shop to run the shop. So this is the anchor penta model. So various anchor penta 1 module switches are there. These are like 16 ampere switches I have, and two-way sockets as well. I have 6 ampere, like 16 ampere sockets. I have TV sockets. These are 6 ampere sockets as well, and these are like regulators, single module regulators. There are double module regulators are there, and there are different modules plates are there, which are been like used to fit these items in the plates. Then I have electrical like wooden fittings products are there in my shop as well. Like we sell out wooden fittings as well, which are being used in the old days. So these are also been available. There are various switches I have in my shop. Fuse are there, post and fuses are there, which are being used. Sockets are there, 6 ampere sockets. Then I have 16 ampere sockets as well, 16 ampere switches as well, which are being used in the old days. Now also been like these are being used. So this was like overall view of various products which are being used in the electrical industry, in the electrical household as well. These are like some of the, I was giving you a brief overview of all the electric products. I will show you over here like some holders as well, baton holder, pendant holder, which are being used in household. Baton holders, these are like some of combined sockets. These are 6 ampere tops, which are being used for various TV products, which are being used for to plug in the TV products in. So these are like 5-pin like multi sockets, 5-pin converger multi plugs, and pendant holders. These are like bed switches as well. Sometimes we use bed switches as well. These are pendant holders. So these are some of the boxes we use in the household like fitting nowadays. So these are some of the, and over here as well I have some boxes only, some company boxes, anchor boxes, some anchor boxes are there, great white boxes are there. And here we have is coils, we call electrical heater coils, which are being used in the mud based heaters, we call it, for like heating the food. So these are some of the coils I have, and these are some of the, I have like plastic boxes which are being used nowadays. And here I have wire section, electrical wire section, where I sell out like various electrical wires like Anchor, B5, Great White, Gold Medal. I have Gold Medal wires as well, Great White wires as well. Some of the click wires as well I have in my shop. Here as well, this is only the like sample section I have in my shop. Various products are there in the back side of the of my shop only. So and here, so this was some of the products overview of some of the electrical products which are being used in the household frequently, while you will like purchasing the products for the household. So these are like products is going to be used while you are making your house. And if so, So this was the overall view of all the various electrical products. So if you are making your household going to buy the electrical products, so these products so you are going to buy for your house. So this was the overall view of the various electrical products being used. So I hope you have enjoyed this video, and subscribe to my channel, keep watching my videos so that you have more knowledge of the electrical products which are being used in the household. So subscribe my channel and please share my channel as well, so that you get to know various electrical products knowledge, so that you have more and more knowledge about the electrical products. So that's it for this video, for the day. Goodbye. Bye.